the demons are throwing a Halloween party tonight. A K-pop demon hunter's costume. Huh, they sure are popular. But it's always best to know your audience.
Oops.
Oh no! They're demons! Well, to be fair, the poster did warn us. It gets worse! They brought tomatoes! Ah! Watch out! How dare they use noodles for evil! But there's no need to go wiggly on us. Oh, don't cry! The K-pop demon hunters are always here to help.
Wow.
And just think of Mera here as your very own fairy godmother. First things first, let's do something about this hair. Seriously, pink and purple heads just have more fun. But let's try some special mousse. Au natural. Thanks, Gary. Smells just like bikini bottom. Just run it through your hair. Aha! Now doesn't that look slick? Next, why don't we try a nice classic braid? But braids are like pretzels. Go big or go home.
Oops.
Maybe it could use a little something. Aha! Derpy's got the right idea. Let's add some cotton. Soon, you'll have a braid that'll make Rapunzel green with envy. Of course, you are going for Ruby's look. So we need to add a whole lot of purple. Violet is your color. And look, it sparkles. Just make sure you watch your step around here. Well, at least you landed on something yellow. Hey, you okay? Well, just stay where you are. This is the perfect time to draw a silhouette. Looking good. You can get up now. Wow, it's already a perfect likeness. But we're gonna need something to cut things out. Don't worry, Mera's got a sharp touch. It comes with her sharp tongue and razor-sharp wit. Try on your new jacket. Now let's add some cool decor. Who says pop stars can't also rock? But we really need to rock and roll for our next craft. A cool spiky turtle shell shoulder pad. I think we've deserved a little dance break. Really shouldn't leave your weapon unsupervised. Guess when Mera's away, new Rumi will play. Careful where you aim that. Almost gave me a haircut. Hey, hands to yourself and off that cool tool.
Oops.
But your new jean shorts are where it's at. Or is it a skirt? Once again, we need to add some Huntrix bling. Just grab an iron and they'll stick to it. Try it on. You already know that it fits. And yet, it still looks better than before. Your fashion's on fire! But let's do something about that skin. Sussy the Magpie has got just the thing. A flashlight! Just wrap it up with foil. Soon, we'll have a brand new Huntrix light stick. Great for concerts. And blasting some blemishes. Aha! Now your skin is as smooth as silk. I think it's time for a little lunch break. Let's see. Candy, ramyun, chips. A demon hunter needs her energy. Ah, there's nothing wrong with switching things up. Though it's always best just to ask first. Especially when you don't know what you're eating. This is why some people add cheese to ramen.
Oops.
Looks like Mera's trying out the Cinderella look.
Wow.
But our new roomie wants some different markings on her face. Just give it time to let those temp tattoos stick. Next up, let's try these special lollipops. Wow! These things work better than contacts. Try them out until you pick your favorite color. Want it to last? We need the special stuff. Great! Who says things need to match? Ooh. Now clear the table. Your eyes could use a little pampering. Here's something for your lashes. And your eyebrows. Just remember, sometimes less is more. Gesundheit. You just need a little something extra. What do you think? You think it's a bit much?
Oops.
Let's fix things up. Hey, a little privacy, please.
Wow.
The important thing is expressing yourself. But maybe we should think outside the lipstick. Here's a classic secret. Lip paper. Thanks, Mera.
Cool.
Hey, are those the Saja boys? Mera doesn't look so good. Well, while she's distracted, let's move on to a new craft. Draw 6 leaf shapes and then cut them out. Ooh, shiny! Now unravel some yarn or string. Twist it around and make some cuts. Soon you'll have your very own tassels. Let's bring them together. Hey, Mera, what do you think? She thinks it could use a little trim. Now you've got a stylish pair of new earrings. But if you want to be a real demon hunter, you're gonna need your very own weapon. We need to cut up pieces of cardboard. Put it together like a puzzle to make a sword. Of course, Huntrix likes things golden. And no one's gonna complain about any glitter. It could still use a little magic touch. When it comes to swords, the bigger, the better. Just make sure you can still carry it. Maybe you should try it out. Watch out, Derpy. It's harder than it looks. But don't worry. All you need is practice. And you can't forget the most important part. Striking a really cool pose. You look great. Bobby would be proud. I honestly think you could fool Celine. But now, it's time to take on those Saja boys. Let's teach these bullies not to mess with a girl's wig. Okay, boys, who wants to dance next? Yeah, you'd better run away. You did it. Now strike a pose. Time for Sprunki roll call. Oaxis, Pinky, Simon, and... Ooh, it looks like we've made a new friend. I think she's in need of a Sprunki makeover. She's a digital girl in the digital world. Looks like all of her Sprunki friends are here to help. And there's more where that came from. It's Aqua. Ooh, she comes in fun size. And look, she's turned the water nice and indigo. Loosen up those braids and let down that hair.
Woo!
Now your hair matches your eyes, assuming they're also blue. Ooh, they are. Do you need these glasses? Who needs glasses when you've got ice cream? An ice treat is a nice treat. Okay, can someone turn off the AC? Ooh, good. You froze your skin silky smooth. But now, let's fix up that unibrow. Aqua's here to help, but you might feel a slight pinch. And let's take care of those nose hairs, too. Want a drink? Uh-oh. Well, look on the bright side. At least your other eye's okay. On second thought, maybe they should match. Nothing wrong with a little cover-up. Blue is your color, so let's add a sapphire. Or is that a blue diamond? Test its strength. Whatever it was, it must not have been strong. But the important thing is that it's still sparkly. You're starting to look just like Aqua. But you seem to be missing one accessory. Grab a tube and add some stylish stripes. Now you've got your very own straw. She may be Aqua, but she's ice cool. What do you guys think? Everybody's a critic. Wait, keep throwing that produce. That red goes great with all that blue. In fact, why don't we start over? And what do you get when you mix red and blue? Purple in all its shades, just like Lily. You can never have too much purple. It works in slime and glitter form. Now relax, Lily. Let yourself melt away. Our concoction's complete. Add to a spray bottle. Violet, you're Violet, but you're missing something. It's time we think inside the box. Next up, we're gonna need some blocks. After all, every microwave needs some buttons. Don't forget the popcorn button or potato. Heads will roll or spin. Take a selfie. Wait, those screens can't be too close.
Whoa!
Wow, girl, you're literally on fire. Okay, enough with the hyperbole. Hey, there's someone in this can. And you've got your next new look.
Wow!
What do you say? Should she try the Coca look? But we're gonna need some soda. We'll use it to make a new face mask.
Wow!
Let your troubles just bubble away. A blank slate, but not for long. Your makeup's ready. Just fall right into it. A touch of red goes with everything, even that hair. But you know, a new do probably won't hurt. We're gonna need some glossy material. Cut it into shreds and piece it all together. And who says cowlicks are a bad thing? Next, we'll need some ears, and we've got the best model. You've got some lucky rabbit ears. Now you look as sweet as soda. Speaking of which, all these makeovers are thirsty work. But share the love. True beauty is what's inside.